Get it, bitch. Stay back.
Stay there. Shut the fuck up. This is why you don't have friends.
What's that?
Little girl, she's like, what the fuck are the kids doing? Look at this. Oh my god. If you fall in here, I'll kick your ass. Okay, good. Look at, like, okay, here we come. Come get it, you boobs. I want to.
Yeah. Well.
Walk away. Just walk away. Trying to get the car, so like.
Give them like Tylenol or that cool shit.
Yeah, go buy some like Tylenol.
Come over here.
We'll stand like right here and record.
Let them be pussy.
And let the fat man hit them. Now go run after him. Go run at him. I'm getting this all on camera too. There's still some over there.
Hey, come back, like, fuck you. Look at shit on me now.
They're gonna be like, you took off. We shit on you. That's what